didn't even know these guys are up to the north. What a treat this is. I mean, a little horny today, I guess. A little soon. Must be a new engineer having some fun. Yeah, eh? That's a short train. That's a short one today. Thought you were gonna lose me today. For some reason, they did not blow across Breen. I don't know why. Man, another light train. What in the world is going on? Anyway, it's the next day. Thought I would give you this little video here of another short train. Now going back north. Anyway. Strange, huh? Fred's gone too. "56 degrees right now. I'm wearing a pair of shorts and a t-shirt. It's been actually pretty nice the last few days, surprisingly. Not too many days of summer left. I do believe this is probably the last week I'm wearing shorts. And can you believe it's November 4th? Wow. Yeah, I figured this train was going to go right through Iron Mountain. Boy, was I wrong. They've already stopped along 8th Street, dropped their logs off the siding there, and are going back south. So we're going back. Yeah, I'm standing right along Breen right now. That engine is coming back. Wow. People are just stupid. I mean, how stupid? I can tell you one thing. I'm cold standing out here in my t-shirt. I hope it's worth it. I hope you guys have hit the thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. You don't necessarily have to hit share. You know, it's funny. You can almost tell the engineer just by the way they honk. I've been filming these trains long enough just to know who the engineer is by the honk. So it makes me think that one train the other day was definitely a new engineer, because he really liked to honk, didn't he? It's weird I didn't hear the horn this morning. Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, Freddy's right on the front of that train, but definitely the engineer I thought it was. And yes, I've seen the questions. You see train tracks going into this building. This is owned by the Escanaba Lakesville Railroad. There are tracks on the other side leading out, and they do store mow equipment. So, in case you're wondering.